Hello viewers and my dear friends. Today I am going to teach you the Mo Uneshwar which comes in class 10 Sandhi Sandhi Vichhed. There will be 4 marks earlier also told. Today I am so telling to you 4 marks you have to write for Sandhi Sandhi Vichhed. Among them Mo Uneshwar also one of the part of the Sandhi Sandhi Vichhed. Okay. So Mohaneshwar is very easy. Nothing to do anything for you. Just you listen carefully. So before that, I have to tell you, please, if you didn't subscribe my channel, please subscribe it, like it, and share it. So next, when I will make for you the video, it should be brought into your notice and you can understand the topic easily. So now today I am going to teach you the Mo Uneshwar. Mo Uneshwar, you see Mo and Uneshwar. There are two parts of this word. There are two parts, Mo and Uneshwar. It means whole game only for Mo. Mo will play the game only. And when he will do the goal, that goal will be the Uneshwar. Uneshwar means nothing else but the dot. Suppose you are writing Ka. Suppose you are writing Ka and Ka Uneshwar Kang. We are writing suppose Ka Uneshwar Kang. Means the word, that letter will come with no sound. Kang. First Ka Uneshwar Kang. Ka Uneshwar Kang. Ga Uneshwar Gang, like this. This is its role of the Uneshwar. Now coming to the point, what the definition you have to know. If there, why you have to know the definition, that is also to understand. If very easily I will tell to you, you can understand within 1 minute the Mo Uneshwar. What I told to you, in Mo Uneshwar nothing to do. It's a game for only for Mo and Uneshwar. Mo will play the game and last how the player are playing football, and lastly what is the target? Their target is only to do the goal. Like this, Mo will play full football and lastly goal they will do with the Uneshwar. That is the role of this Mo Uneshwar. Nothing to do. But you have to gain the knowledge also. For that I have to explain also. Now if there is a means half Mo. If there is a at the end of the word and after it consonant in the sense, what are the consonant? Though I am teaching to you in English, so in English medium, that's why we are using the word consonant. But consonant means in Hindi or Sanskrit we are telling the Banjan one. So consonant, I will tell to you later what is the Banjan one. Or let me listen. What are the Banjan one? Already I make to you here. Banjan one means the ku, chu, tu, pu. What do you mean by ku, chu, tu, pu? Means cover, chabar, tabar, tabar, parma, like a ka, kha, ga, ga, ya, cha, cha, ja, ja, ya, ta, ta, da, da, murdana, ta, ta, da, da, dantana, pa, pa, ba, ba, ma. These are the called Banjan Ban. Okay. So if the Banjan Ban comes, that is called consonant. That's are here also I put one plus mark. Means a word and after it the consonant comes. Means after when Sandhi Sandhi Vichhed will be there, you see one plus mark will be there. So after it means after plus. If consonants come, means Banjan Varn come. Means ka, ka, ga, ga, ya, cha, cha, ja, ja, gya, ta, ta, da, da, mardana, ta, ta, da, da, dantana. Like this, if anything comes, then means means ma with halant. This is called halant. Okay, this one you see one line is there, a small one, that is called halant. So becomes change into Anuswar. In English also I wrote Anuswar, and Sanskrit also wrote Anuswar, and its symbol is like this, one just dot. Okay. So what do you mean by that? If you could not understand, now always you will understand through the example. What I told to you, if there is a ma, means here you written see. If there is a or ma along with this halant at the end of the word, then means the plus after it, or then means after plus, if Vyanjan Varn will come. Vyanjan Varn, I told to you, the kuchu tu tupu, or your alava, whatever may be, miss ka kha ga ga ya cha cha ja ja ya ta 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 mardana ta 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 dantana pa 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 ma yara alava, like this. Whatever that Vyanjan Varn will come here, means after plus. Please try to understand. And this side what will be there? Half ma. The actual main game here. Half ma plus consonant. Then nothing to do this ma. You just slowly convert into this point. Here how Harim spelling written, you see ha. Ra mein choti kar. Ma. Here halant is there. Okay. Plus consonant. So this Harim ma converted into this Uneshwar. But be careful, here Vyanjan Varna should be there. That is called Harim Vande. If you take another example, Aham Gachami. What is there? Aham last is there ma along with this halant. Aham plus means after it, after if Vyanjan will be there. What is Vyanjan? Ga. This ga is the Vyanjan. So ka, kha, ga, so ga. So after plus if consonant is there, this will be converted into this Uneshwar. This is called Uneshwar. So aham gachami. How earlier it was written ma and halant. Aham and it became here, but be careful, here consonant should be there must. So here we put the Uneshwar. Whole definition if you could not understand, that's why always I am trying to give you some tricks. If you could not understand, keep in your mind. That's why last time also video, Tugagam also wrote finally definition or finally result or finally decision, whatever may be. If you could not understand, keep in your mind. This side suppose after ma, left side, then plus any Vyanjan will be there. What you have to do, then and there, you will see that after plus if Vyanjan will be there, that you convert it into ma. Okay, same thing here. Here also you see, or when you will do the, suppose, or if Uneshwar is there, means a Sandhi when you will do, a Sandhi Vichhed will do, the ma will convert it into the Uneshwar. Or when you will do the Sandhi, that time Uneshwar will convert it into the Suppose here written this one, suppose written aham. Suppose they wrote the here aham. Aham gachami. Aham gachami. Like this suppose they wrote. So that time what you will do? You just convert into that aham gachami. Like this. Means nothing, only the tricks, this ma you convert it into this Uneshwar. Okay, or Uneshwar you convert it into that this ma. Bas, this is the ma. Whatever this much lecture you listen, nothing to do. Just you follow only one thing, that after ma Vyanjan Varn is there. After ma Vyanjan Varn is there. Means after, just soon after the plus. Then and there no need to do anything. You just ma you convert it into the Uneshwar. Your game finish. And you will get the solid marks. Hope it is clear for you. Now for time being, what you will do, you just either in book, whenever you reading the book, textbook, or you are getting in grammar, or in post wall or in guide book or question bank, any question bank, you whenever you will get and like this sandhi which is suddenly it should be recalled into your mind that this is the Mohaneshwar Sandhi. Means again I repeat, soon after the ma in the sense means mean ma along with this halant. If plus then if Vyanjan Varn will be there. So then and there you just before plus whatever the is there, just it should be changed or you just convert it into the Uneshwar. But your game finished. Thank you.